Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and thank you so much for being here. It means so much to me. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave a comment down below. I love talking with y'all, and if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. But as you can see from the description, we have our November 2018 Scentbird. I am super excited. I love Scentbird. I have grown so much in love with this subscription. I believe is like $14.95 a month. And you get a perfume sent to you. You can actually log in once you've created the account and have a queue, and you can go through and you can select different perfumes you would like to have sent to you. And it is like a 30-day supply, is what they say, but it actually lasts for me much longer, and I love switching up my perfumes, so Scentbird is great for anyone else that likes to change up their scents or have multiple scents to choose from, so you don't smell the same every day. And what I like too is because they have so many to choose from, and they are all designer fragrances, so you're not going to break the bank, but still get to actually, have some of that great perfume that may be $150 a bottle at, Belk's or somewhere. So, but what I like is the description of all of the scents lets you know what you're getting. So if it's not a scent you're familiar with, you can read the description and see what the notes of the perfume are, so you're kind of aware. And that's what I did with this one, and I honestly don't remember what this one is, but actually with all of the ones I have received, that is what I have done. So yeah, I don't remember what perfume this is, so we're gonna open her up and take a look at what November has in store for us. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It is a referral link, so but what's neat about it is it will get you a free perfume and me a free perfume. So just to let you know, okay, this is the Versace Crystal Noir. Now I remember. And if I didn't say, I believe it is $14.95 a month, but there usually is always some kind of coupon. So like, I know when I first signed up, it was buy one, get one free. So I paid for my first month, I got my second month free. So if there is a coupon code, I'll put that down for you as well. But let's see. Again, this kind of goes to, it tells you the notes. So if you know the type of scent you like, that's how you pick what you want. So it says, Crystal Noir's voluptuous decadence begins with a rich tropical coconut, heady gardenia, and ginger's spicy kick that fades into a hot pulse of spicy amber and vanilla tinged sandalwood. So we are going to see what it smells like. I just feel all fancy with some Versace. Sorry, it's late when I'm filming, and it's been a few days, so I'm actually filming quite a few videos, and I'm getting a little bit goofy. So, the Versace Crystal Noir. And it does also, if you are not familiar with Scentbird, when you first order or sign up, it does come with a nice, cute little thing you can put it in, and you just twist up. But in the it's like 6 months, it'll come in this, and then you can just put it in the little twisty thing. I don't know if it actually has a name. So let's see. Now I smell fancy. God, that smells so good. I think I just found a new favorite perfume. good. I just can't, y'all. That smells amazing. I just found a new favorite perfume, and the bottle is gorgeous. So I may just change all my months to Versace. Oh my goodness. Y'all, for real. I wish we had smell-o-vision and I could be like, here, and let you guys smell it. I love it. I love it. Like, I'm seriously thinking about, in my queue on Scentbird, putting that maybe for every other month. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Yeah. So, that's Scentbird, November 2018. We got us some Versace. So, sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, I will make sure to put the link down below as well as any coupon for you guys. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and leave a comment. I love talking with you. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Have a great day.